What's up, guys? How are you doing? It's your boy Trader Nas here, and today I'm back again with a new video, guys. Damn, you know that it is Friday, and today I get it. We had NFP, I mean non-farm payroll. You know the vibe, you know the feeling. Then click for the bell icon so as you can get my notification video, and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel Trader Nas here. You know the vibe when you hear that name. So then let me just jump in quickly so as everyone here or she can understand, guys. Look at this careful. It's S&P 500, and forget about Nasdaq. I'm always trying to assets. So today I took only S&P 500, and my take profit was hit. Look at this initial highs because I were shorted this still to this low, and about yesterday stop loss was here, and my take profit was this red line that I see here. And you say that today price has been accumulating on this zone, and currently it's dropping. So my target was this, and it's boomed. I traded on 1 minute during the news comes out, guys. So let me just show you. Before jumping in 1 minute, I'm out of this trade. I'm already hitting my take profit, so I don't want to check the market right now. If it will continue to drop, it's had nothing to do with me. I have made a lot of profit today. So guys, before wasting my time, let me just jump into economic career that we had. So before you New York Stock Market Exchange opened, I was watching this investing.com for looking at the NFP data and unemployment rate. As always, I say that before doing anything, you should understand what are you doing. If there is a fundamental like this one, we had NFP, we had FOMC, and we have CPI. That are the three keys economic data that I'm always scared. So today I said that we had this one. So they were expecting the data to be at 100,077. Okay, so I said that is the lower than expected compared with the last month. So if the data will come out as lower than expected, we could expect short on dollars. So but forget about this one. Let's just look for the unemployment rate, guys. So previous months it was 3.7%, and look at careful here. They were expected 3.8%, and I said that. So they expecting the unemployment to be 3.8%, mean that there is a lot of people who there are a lot number of people that who haven't a job there. You know that. I hope you understand that this higher than expected for unemployment means that poor economy. There are the poor economy. There are the mass number of people who doesn't have a job there. But if the data comes out as a lower than expected, it's indicated that there is a low number of people who hasn't a job. But if it comes out as a better than expected, there are a lot of number of people who hadn't a job there. So guys, I was expecting that to be, although before the data comes out, look at this bigger number. I'm always telling you, don't compare this one with this one, guys. Let's take an exception. If the unemployment rate comes out at the 200,000 what we could expect? Could this remove the market? No, because it could be lower than expected compared with the last months. So this data we compare with the last month, this is just like nonsense. So this one 300,000 and 57,000 compared with 300,000 with 33,000 This is a bit better than expected. So US economy added more job than last month. So the job was the biggest than on January compared with that December. So guys, that was the big one. Damn. Yeah. That is just like that. So guys, so we added a more job on January. So guys, let's just look for the unemployment rate 3.7. That was unexpected. It was unexpected with the expectation, but equal as last month. This is a good indicator for the US, so that we could see a strong dollar. So guys, we got a lot of information. Remember, at that time this data it's just not released. So let's just back on my chart. So S&P 500 is still dropping. So let me just jump in 3 minute time frame, so everyone he or she can understand. Let me just show you. So market is it was trading like this one, accumulating. So guys, let me just shift it into 1 minute time frame. Okay, and let me just zoom it. Let me just zoom it like this. Let me just zoom it like this. Okay, so guys, it was like this. So we had support. No, we had a resistance as you see here, and market during Asian session has been trading in range, plus London session has been trading in range. Guys, as they said always, we have the power of three. I mean accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. So I was marking this one as a accumulation area. So accumulation means what? A lot of orders are created there. So a lot of traders are placing their order there. Just we are prepared for liquidity area. So guys, accumulating, that's the we are accumulating like this one, accumulating. Let me just take this one. So then we are accumulating like this one, accumulating, accumulating, accumulating. Still a lot of traders are placing their orders. So that was our London station. So nearest with the New York stock market opened with that distribution. When you come, you look at the macro, you will understand that at this time market tend to do that manipulation like this one. That was a manipulation, and nearest with the New York stock market opened, always we can see a distribution like this one. Dang, you see the vibe. So that was accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. So I was right with my trading mode, my trading same strategy. So I was waiting. There are another confirmation that I was always waiting. Look at that. At certain price do that manipulation. So I saw that with this one, liquidity and breaker, but no pullback. So I said that we had the news at that time. At that time, nearest with the New York Stock Market Exchange open. So I entered here and I placed my stop loss above this one, because after seeing that liquidity, you see that liquidity and price break that out at this zone low. So I entered here and my stop loss was above this zone. Price keep dropping, so I was targeting this equal low, and I said that is we are some. Look at this equal low. Look at this equal low. Price was dropping till to nearest with this equal low, and then went up. And I said, what the time for the news? Okay, I said, but few seconds remain for the news, and suddenly data comes out other better than expected. Damn, that was a awesome. I was like, I killed it, guys. I said, wow, that is awesome. What should I say? Why do I place a stop loss about this one? Because I know that this is a news and anything can happen. You know that when sometimes we have that key, we have a high volatility impacting news. We are always expecting to see some. We are expecting to see some volatility in the markets, and sometimes that volatility tends to affect our analysis, our trading mode, everything. So that's why I placed my stop loss, and I said that if the data comes out as lower than expected, you know that in order for that market to sell, the data should comes out as lower than expected, and then improvement should comes bigger than expected. So what's happened? The improvement was the lowest expected, and the improvement rate was the lowest expected, and the NFP was the better than expected. So that was a strong dollars, and then damn, it's boom like this one, guys. So I'm always understanding what I'm doing. So my take keep profit hit again, and I'm out of the market. And I said that let me record this video, maybe someone or other traders they can learn something from it. So we compared our trading style with the fundamentals that we have. That was a good one. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. We had the liquidity above the zone here. We had a breaker like this one, but we didn't look at this fair value. We're on the 30 seconds. they're at their fair value, but I don't trade the second. I'm lost trade 1 minute, 3 minutes, and 5 minutes. Guys, I love you all. You know that even you can make it, even you can make a lot of profit. Why? It's just all of us to understand what you are doing. We don't try to predict the markets, but we always understand what algo is always trying to do. This fucking shit is always happen. If you don't believe me, let me just find someone. Let me just find one which happened yesterday, and I show you. Accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. Let me just show you. That was a yesterday. 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 Yes, that was a yesterday. That was a yesterday. Look at this one. That was a yesterday. That was a yesterday, guys. And I will show you. And I will show you. That was a yesterday. And that is the accumulation. And that is a distribution. No, that's the accumulation, and that is manipulation, and that is a distribution. So guys, it's always just happen. It's just always happen. Look at that price went up. Look at let me just show you. Let me just show you maybe on Thursday. Look at this very careful. With the sun there is just like around this one where it's just like this one. Accumulation around this zone, manipulation, and then distribution. Just like it's just happen every time on in indices, because as I wanna like to try and see it, guys. That was accumulation like this, and then accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Boom. It's just a little priceless, guys. So click for the bell icon so as you can get my notification video, and don't forget to subscribe on my